some of the flowers getting ready. Okay. Okay, so here we are. I've got me some ground cover to cover the ground. And so I'm going to go get my tripod and set it up, and then of course I'll speed it up and we're playing it, okay? You know what this really reminds me of? When we had the dinner theater and we had weddings. This is just like the wedding, the fabric that goes down the wedding aisles. I guess this could be for a Gothic wedding or something. Okay, I'll be right back. Butt shots. Here we go. I'm gonna have to go get a knife or scissors. I'll be back. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm already worn out, so here we go. Getting ready to plant. You want to plant? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. A little more where it's just pouring real slow. What do you think? Is it looking good? Are we doing good? It's looking good? Yeah? What you think, Minnie?